Changing the oil in your Generac home generator isn't as intimidating as it sounds. Think of it like giving your generator a spa day. Your generator works hard, especially during blackouts, so regular oil changes keep it happy and running smoothly. First things first, safety. Turn off the generator and let it cool down completely. This is non-negotiable. Hot oil can burn you, and working on a running generator is a big no-no. Safety glasses and gloves, highly recommended. Don't skimp here. You'll need a few tools: a wrench, a funnel, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a clean rag. For oil, Generac typically recommends synthetic 5-30, but double-check your manual. Never wing it with the wrong type of oil. Find the drain plug. It's usually located at the bottom of the generator. Place your drain pan underneath, unscrew the plug, and let the old oil trickle out. Pro tip: tilt the generator slightly to get every last drop. It's like squeezing the last bit out of a ketchup bottle. Now, let's talk filters. The oil filter is the unsung hero in keeping your engine clean. Use the oil filter wrench to remove it. Before installing the new one, lightly coat the rubber gasket with fresh oil for a good seal. Don't over-tighten. Time to pour in the new oil. Use your funnel to avoid messy spills. It's not a great look having oil stain your garage floor. Most Generac generators take about 1.7 quarts, but again, consult the manual. Overfilling is as bad as underfilling. Check the oil level using the dipstick. Wipe it clean, dip it back in, and make sure the oil sits between the full and add marks. If it's low, add a bit more. If you overfilled, start pouring it out slowly. It's a pain, but necessary. Screw the drain plug back on tightly and double-check everything. You don't want oil pooling up under your generator during its next run. That's not just messy. It's dangerous. Take 2 extra minutes to confirm everything is secure. Restart the generator and let it run for a minute or two. Then, shut it off and recheck the oil. Sometimes levels drop slightly as the oil circulates through the engine. Top it off if needed. Yes, it's tedious, but totally worth it. Dispose of the old oil responsibly. Most auto parts stores and recycling centers will take it off your hands for free. Just don't pour it down a drain or toss it in the trash. That's bad karma and illegal. This entire process takes about 20 to 30 minutes tops, and it can save you hundreds in repairs. Plus, regular maintenance extends the life of your generator by years. Treat it well, and it'll return the favor when you need it most. Oh, and don't forget to reset the maintenance reminder on the generator if it has one. Keeping track of your oil changes is just good practice. It's like having an accountability buddy for your generator. And trust me, they're not the nagging type.